In today's digital landscape, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic and enhancing online visibility. With advancements in AI technology, leveraging tools like ChatGPT can provide a competitive edge in optimizing SEO strategies. In this guide, TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt Limited introduces the benefits and effective implementation of ChatGPT for SEO purposes. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It utilizes deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses based on user input, making it a versatile tool for various applications. By leveraging ChatGPT, businesses can enhance their SEO efforts, improve website ranking, and increase user engagement. Content creation: ChatGPT can assist in generating high-quality content that aligns with SEO best practices. It can provide keyword suggestions, optimize meta tags, and create compelling blog posts or website copy that resonate with search engines and users alike. By integrating relevant keywords and structuring content effectively, you can boost organic traffic and improve search engine rankings. Keyword research: effective keyword research is crucial for SEO success. ChatGPT can help identify relevant keywords and long-tail phrases that align with your target audience's search intent. By incorporating these keywords strategically throughout your website's content, including headings, subheadings, and meta descriptions, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. User engagement: engaging users is a key factor in SEO. ChatGPT can be employed to create interactive chatbots or virtual assistants on your website. These AI-powered bots can answer frequently asked questions, provide personalized recommendations, and guide users through your website, resulting in longer visit durations and improved user experience. Enhanced user engagement positively impacts SEO metrics, such as bounce rate and dwell time, which can improve your website's overall ranking. Voice search optimization: as voice search continues to gain popularity, optimizing your website for voice queries becomes imperative. ChatGPT can aid in understanding natural language and conversational queries, enabling you to optimize your content for voice search. By incorporating conversational phrases and long-tail keywords in your content, you can increase the likelihood of appearing in voice search results and capturing voice-based traffic. Competitive analysis: ChatGPT can assist in conducting competitive analysis by gathering and analyzing data from various sources. By examining your competitors' SEO strategies and identifying their strengths and weaknesses, you can fine-tune your own approach. ChatGPT can generate reports, provide insights on backlink opportunities, and recommend optimization techniques to gain a competitive advantage in the search rankings. Conclusion: leveraging ChatGPT for SEO can significantly enhance your website's visibility, organic traffic, and user engagement. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Pvt Limited offers expertise in implementing ChatGPT for SEO purposes. Contact us at +91 8305233223 or visit our website www.techiesgroup.co.in to explore how we can help you maximize your SEO potential. For further inquiries, feel free to reach out to us at info@techiesgroup.co.in.